What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to add trusted connections on Roblox. Roblox uses trusted connections to help secure your account and ensure that only safe friends on devices can interact with you in a certain ways. And here's how to set them up. Now, firstly, open Roblox app on your device. Sign in with your username and password, then tap the gear icon in the top right corner of mobile and desktop. Select settings, then security. This is where Roblox lets you manage account safety, two-step verification and trusted connections. To use trusted connections, make sure two-step verification is turned on. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code from your email or authenticator app when logging in on new devices. Now, in the security section, find the trusted devices or trusted connections area. Tap add device, then Roblox will prompt you to verify your current device via email or authenticator. Once verified, your device or account connection is marked as trusted. You can review all trusted devices at the same menu and remove any device that you no longer use or don't recognize. Roblox will send notifications if someone tries and log in from an untrusted device, keeping your account safer. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this.